It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Canyon AT4. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the AT4. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with auto express windows, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage, and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel we have the trailer brake, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and the lighting controls, a power adjustable driver's seat, leather interior, and AT4 embroidery in both headrests. Next I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and the right side has our audio buttons. This is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash by using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, we have some more lighting controls, seatbelt notification, and OnStar. This is GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. We've also got the hitch guidance. Climate control buttons with air conditioning, traction control, lane departure alert, park assist, hazard lights, trailer mode, hill descent control, box lighting, heated front seats, some USB ports and power plug-ins, and we also have the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the AT4 we have that unique tri-bar grille, red tow hooks, LED headlamps, fog lights, 17-inch wheels with all-terrain tires, a 3.6-liter V6 engine under the hood, remote start, rear tinted windows, a rear window slider, and the corner step bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. We can drop that tailgate down with ease. The box of the truck has cargo hooks. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The back of the front passenger seat has a leather seat pocket. The back of our center console has 2 USB ports, a power plug-in, and a small storage compartment. This rear seat folds up for some additional storage space. We can drop that down with ease by pulling the lever on the side of the seat. We've got 3 additional seats in the back. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Canyon AT4 today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.